Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add a smooth text animation in Canva. Right now, as you can see, I have just selected a blank template in the Canva, and now I'm going to change the background color. So I have simply selected this template and going to click on the color palette option available above, and here we can simply select whatever the color we want in the background. Now we are going to click on text in the left side toolbar and then select a heading. Okay, and here I'm going to write digital Bikana. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to change the color of the text to white, and let me increase the size of the text. You probably would be thinking that sir is doing what? Okay, no issues. Okay, so I have done this. Now I'm going to change the text color to again the same color. You can either select it from the here, or you can use the color palette dropper option and can simply select whatever the color you want. Okay, so now we are going to add effects over it and select the drop, and you can just increase the offset right a little bit, and then you can adjust the direction of the offset wherever you want. Okay, it's looking nice. We can decrease the blurriness and increase this as well. Right now we are going to add animation to it, so let us look for a good animation. So tectonic would work, right? We can move the position as well, right? Similarly, I'm again going to add a heading from the left side toolbar itself, and here I'm going to write digital Bikana and going to change the color to white, right? And here we can add effects, and here we can select the glow. Okay, and here we can add animation of whatever the animation you want. Yeah, this would work. So this is how you can smoothly add a text animation in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.